Alright guys, welcome back. So this is video number 2 of the series. As you could see, we're done with primary sanding. So what they're going to do right now, they're going to go ahead and go back, get some paint thinner on it. It's going to expose some of the areas that still have clear coat. So let's get that done. Right now what we're doing is we're just getting one quick layer of paint thinner on it. It's not supposed to be meant to clean. It's just supposed to take out the excess dust and the excess powder from the grinding, the clear coat. A little bit paint thinner is going to start drying, and it's going to expose any areas that still have the clear coat on it. As you can see right there, also you see a little indentation right there. That's why we're going to have to go back with some body filler, and it really helps out to tell you where the area you've seen her sand. Right now Rolly's going to start pointing out some areas that still need sanding.
For example, all right here, all this needs sanding still.
Okay, you see all that clear coat right there? It definitely needs some sanding.
Around the door handle.
Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and do all of it with paint thinner, and then we'll start exposing. So we thought that those factory moldings on the side will look good on it, so we're just going to go ahead and leave them as is. I think that he'll be a contrast in the colors with the Raptor and the plastics. I think it'll look okay. Okay, so right here we're able to go back, and you could see right there there's a spot that still needs some sanding.
There's more right here. All of this.
Remember guys, the most important thing is that you get that clear coat off. Another very usual part that still has some clear coat on it is right here. So as you could see right there, we still have a little bit of clear coat. We're going to get that done. Over here on the side, you see some areas right there by the door handle. Go ahead and point them out. All those areas right there, we still need to get all those. You have another little hell indentation that we're going to take care of.
Do we need this right here?
Yeah, definitely that right there. So you see, that's why the paint there kind of helps out. It really lets you see where you're still needing to go back and do some work. So we're going to go back and do that work, and then we're going to go ahead and start with fixing all the little hail damage potholes. So continue watching the videos, and we'll get this truck done.